So Agros is an agri-tech company, agriculture technology company, that specializes in climate-smart technologies, meaning that we develop technologies that help farmers to become climate resilient and grow their income. And so our flagship product is a solar-powered irrigation system. Farmers can switch from diesel or electric to solar, save on fuel, but also grow extra seasons of rice and other horticultural crops for their communities.
What made you want to start Agros in the first place?
The initial origin of Agros came from deploying more solar power across rural areas. And when I was personally traveling around Indonesia, Malaysia, Cambodia, Vietnam, I saw actually a huge opportunity when I was driving around a lot of diesel pump. And then when I went to a farmer and asked how much they were spending actually on fuel, which is sometimes $50 to $100 a month, I realized there was a huge opportunity to switch diesel engines into solar-powered irrigation systems. So that was the initial thought. And the realization that this could be done across multiple countries really excited me to start the business.
Okay, now please tell us a bit about Agrosolpump and Agrosolar and what makes it different.
Yes, under Agros we have two different brands. On the one hand we have Agrosolar, and on the other hand we have Agrosolpump. Reason why we launched Agrosolpump is when I arrived in Indonesia, after having launched Agrosolar in two countries, I realized that solar means diesel, and therefore we had to change the name. But the value proposition is exactly the same across the two brands. It's really a solution we provide to the farmers, which combines a very high quality and affordable technology with services, meaning financing, installation, after-sales maintenance, making it very easy to switch from diesel to solar for most farmers here in the region.
What kind of changes have you seen since farmers started using it?
I've seen many changes. I traveled across the whole Southeast Asia, from very small 1 hectare farmer to 10 hectare farmer, and the benefits are very different. And initially we thought that the biggest benefits would come from fuel savings. But more and more we see actually farmers going from 1 or 2 seasons of horticulture or rice crops towards 3 seasons. And that's really where the big difference comes from, because then suddenly they can double their profits by growing the year round, thanks to now having 0 operational costs for irrigation. And that's really exciting.
When you think about the future, what's your big vision for Agros?
So the big vision is that we definitely want to be market leader across the entire Southeast Asia, impacting 100,000 small to medium-sized farmers in multiple countries. But not only with the solar irrigation system, we also want to launch new technologies to make the farm more climate smart. So we're thinking about other sensors or other IoT technologies that could sense pest and diseases, how much fertilizer to use, so that farmers can really be climate smart overall, not only in water, but also in other elements of their farming. That's the big vision, and we're working hard every day to achieve that. But this is only the beginning. Therefore, we invite you, our employees, our partners, to join us in this mission, because we grow together.